Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge a Motorola Edge 50 Pro by using the charger that is included in the box. So of course you can find your charger in the box. This is how it looks like. You should also have the USB cable as well. So this is the charger. Over here we need to plug in the cable, and the cable of course is also included in the box. And we need to use it in order to plug it to the charger and to our smartphone. Now I use my own charger for this, but it works the same way. So I'll show you on mine how to plug it in. And in order to connect it to the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, over here at the bottom we have the slot for the USB cable, USB Type-C. So simply plug it in, and then you should be able to charge it. And there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.